Okay, today we're going to be talking about memory upgrades. So today, or currently, I've got 16 gigs in here. So 4, 4, 4, and 4. We're doing 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. So disconnect the power. Just gonna get everything, turn it all off, make sure everything is powered down. So we're gonna go ahead and take the RAM out now. Aside for right now. These are DDR4 RAM chips. The ones down there are standard. I think they're. Take a look here. 4 gig, 2600. So these are the ones that we're going to throw in there, which are these here. So once again, check for orientation. Make sure that everything's proper. If we're doing 2 RAM chips, it's going to be the second and fourth, I believe, on this board. The chip slots are colored, so you can see which ones go where. Let me go ahead and double check this here real quick. Okay. Oh, did I get that one backwards? Looks like I did. Should go a little easier than that. That seems like that's high centered. Yep, only goes in that one way. All right. Firmly in, push down. Okay, there's one. Get the second one in. Okay, like that. All right, and well set. So after this, I'll be doing, it'll be 32 gigs of RAM instead of 16. 16 kind of was what I did for a number of years, and it's always a good plan, but it seems like everybody's moved to 32 now. Okay, there we go. There's brand new RAM. Now, this is just a standard Gigabyte board. Nothing too special. The RAM is XMP, so that's the thing. I don't, probably won't have the flash RAM on this, and we're hoping we don't. So, come on, get in there. There we go. All right, we're all set. So, with that, we'll go ahead and power it on, and then be loving the new 32 gigs of RAM. So, stay tuned, guys.